Hello, this is Jeremy from SpraySync. Today is going to talk about a new feature that we added to the website. We have the ability now, so I'm on the dashboard page and seeing a summary of what I sprayed in some of my test data that I have. And I can now preview this directly on a map. If I click over to the map page, I will see all of that spraying in a very similar view to what you see on the tablet. So I can click on a spray section and see the information there, all the date, user jobs, acres, chemicals, everything. I can also, this orange, those are the form submissions. I can click on those, and this just has a pretty basic form submission. And this is a spray point, hose reel point, so you can see those too. So anyway, so this is something that you can also, you can zoom in and out just like you can on the map on the tablet. You can switch between the different types of background data that you see. This satellite is actually using the same mapping technology and maps that the tablet would have. So kind of consistency between that. Big shout out to Andrew Chumich on the team who built this. This was a great feature, great addition. You can still always export like you used to before, because one of the problems that we're trying to solve with this is that usually the only way to preview what you had on a map was that you had to download a KML or a shapefile, launch Google Earth or ArcGIS, another program. While that feature always exists, will still continue to exist, we wanted a little bit easier way to be able to preview this stuff without actually having to go and download another tool. So here's what we've got. You can also, if you want to see it bigger, you can enter full screen. And any web browser kind of give you a nice full screen view. You can still do the zoom in and out on it. Click that top right or hit escape to go back. And one of the other features that we have is, this is implemented pretty similar to the tablet. So just like on the tablet, if you have a cell plan, you can see the other tablets and what they're spraying within about a 10 to 15 second delay or so. So the same thing here, if you're actually viewing this and you're viewing the current day, which I happen to be from my filters, you can actually see another tablet spraying. So I'm going to set up a quick little demo here. So here I've got the tablet view up, and this is driving along this County Road 10, and that's also what I have here. So we're sort of driving west, and you can see this point that I just passed is this blue spray point right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly kind of spray a couple little toggles, and as we look out on the left, you'll see those show up. They're showing up right after the point. You can actually see them right now showing. So this is a thing where like I've talked about before, there's a little bit of a delay, it can be 10 to 15 seconds. Sometimes it's quicker, kind of depending on how things go. But this is another way to kind of, almost be able to see what's happening real time as you're out there. So anyways, that's a summary of our feature that we've got. Thanks.